Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have a quick video for you. I was out and about taking care of some things and I was in another town. I was in Virginia and I said, okay, and I was riding down the road and I go, oh my God, there's an Ollies right there. I forgot about that Ollies. I haven't been in there for a while. So I went inside the Ollies and I'm looking around. I go over to the crafting section and they put out quite a bit of stuff. But it's stuff, it wasn't anything that I needed. And I said I was going to be very particular about stuff that I pick up and put in my cart. So I didn't pick anything up right there. So I rode around the store a little bit and I said, well, let me look around. So I get over by near the front of the store, near the bathroom. And I look and I go, what? No, Ollies, no, you don't. No, you don't have this. So I picked it up and I put it in my cart. So I'm inserting a clip to show you what it is that I got. And maybe if you're in Virginia and you're in the Sterling, near the Sterling Ollies, they had quite a few of them. And maybe if you need this, you can pick one up for yourself. But look at the packages. Some they had marked one price and some they had marked another price. Couldn't figure that out because I looked at the boxes. They were the exact same thing. So watch that when you go in there. But if you need one of these, go into the Sterling, Virginia Ollies and you will find one. Thank you for tuning in today. And you know what? This Ollies always surprises us, doesn't it? The things that we find there. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because that helps my channel and it helps the algorithm. If you have any comments or any questions or anything like that, please put that in the, leave a comment. Also, if you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in my next video. I'm working on a few things and I shall be posting videos shortly. Talk to you later now. Bye.